feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
To fix Bluetooth errors on your Honeywell smart lock, start by making sure your phone's Bluetooth is on and nearby. Restart both devices to reset their connection. Check the lock's battery, since low power can cause issues. Update your lock's firmware and the Honeywell app to the latest version. If problems continue, unpair and repair the lock through the app. These simple steps usually solve most Bluetooth glitches quickly.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.